They got too much power. They got some power. Yeah, that's all they need. You can't control that. That's too much power for that driver, man. Y'all gonna have to turn it down, man. But if y'all turn it down, y'all ain't gonna be able to beat Silver Dollar. Yeah. Lock it in. He gonna get it fixed, man. Lock it in. He gonna get it fixed. Man. Let's go to 7-0 class, man. I'm finna go and go get my drink, man, before they close, man. I apologize. What's up with it, man?
YouTube videos?
I'm on, yeah, I do YouTube. Look Out Racing.
Man,
you on there?
You're dying, but just keep doing what you're doing.
Already.
Hey, give us exposure first.
Bet. What's up with it, man? Yeah, give me 1 too. What's up with it, man? Y'all still got some Hennessy left?
Yep.
Okay. Yeah, I just talked to Galen. He said he gonna get the price reduced. Y'all ain't talked to him yet?
No, not yet.
Man, y'all need to talk to him, man. I'm tired of waiting on y'all.
I thought you said you were going to talk to him.
I did. Y'all done took all my money, man.
All your money.
Hey, y'all be tipping and shit, man. I done tipped the drink.
You're so sweet to us.
Man. That's cause Soup Mike, man. Soup Mike.
Yeah.
It ain't coming out? Oh, ain't nobody ordering.
Just in the back.
Oh, you want me to come back? It needs some time.
No, it's just in the back. Go to the front.
Oh, okay.
Down. Hi.
I got the 7-0 class. I'm betting on the right line, y'all. Where y'all at? I'm on the right line, man. Miss, can you stir it? Last time I had a hard time stirring it. I had a hard time while I was streaming, miss. I couldn't do it with that straw. Here we go, y'all. Alright, oh, it look like a good ass. Oh, right lane won already. Left lane with the red light. Yeah, man, and I couldn't stir it good with that straw. It was bending, and I had my phone and that bending straw. I couldn't really do what I needed to do. I really couldn't get what I needed to do. I needed to do it. We got Bojangles in here, y'all. That's my probation officer.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Are you on probation for real?
Nah, this my Twitch probation officer.
Twitch?
Yeah, like my online probation officer. He always, you need to do this. You need to do that. You drinking too much. You cussing too much. You doing something. They always. What's up with it? I ain't posted that video with you yet.
Because I don't have no restrictions.
Yeah, that's her. She back with no restrictions.
No restrictions.
At 10:42. I ain't posted the video yet.
I don't have no cash. You gave my husband. You didn't back up. This fool called me at like 5 a.m. in the morning. You know at 5 a.m. you ain't sober. We were out.
Get you one of these.
I ain't got no money.
Oh, that's all you need?
Just a money. I'm broke. I spent all my allowance.
Golly. Golly. Let me go record these races. Come on, let's go.
Where we going?
To the I think the 7-0
You
class.
is drunk, aren't you?
Nah, this is my second drink. Yeah, this is my second. Damn, I need to climb in this. Okay, man, appreciate it, man. Damn. Oh, left lane for the win, y'all. What's up with it, y'all?
What's up, dog?
Nothing much, chilling on it. Chilling on it. About to see what this little lookout do. You had one of these yet?
I have had one.
Yeah. Was it hidden or not? They make yours good.
We got that straight.
Oh, okay, you on that.
Straight, dog.
Oh, that's that straight. Ooh wee. I can't do that. I need that mix. Joe Lunch Bucket on the way.